Hello, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will show you how to download and install Visual Studio Enterprise 2022. Before we do that, please don't forget to subscribe and like the video to encourage us to make more valuable videos. Thanks. Now, in order to download Visual Studio 2022, simply go to Google and search for Visual Studio 2022. Click on Microsoft's official link. I will choose Visual Studio Enterprise 2022. As you can see, the download is successfully completed. Now go to Downloads and click on the Setup file to start the installation. Click Continue. Choose your workloads and click Install. I will choose .NET for example. It will take a few minutes to install. You can sign in if you have an account. Here you choose your theme. Now, after we have successfully installed Visual Studio 2022, we have to activate it to enjoy its full features. We need a license key in order to activate Visual Studio 2022. I have purchased a license key to activate my software from a website called Softwares. They offer Visual Studio 2022 for a huge discount. Use this coupon code to get 15% off on any product on the store. You can pay with your PayPal or credit card. Once you make the purchase, you will receive an email with your license key and official download link. Now copy your product key and paste it into Visual Studio. Congratulations! Your Visual Studio 2022 is activated, and now you can enjoy all of its amazing features. Now after we have installed and activated Visual Studio 2022, please take a minute to subscribe and leave your feedback in the comments section below. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.